Hi everyone, welcome to Kajol Cosmetics. I'm Kajol. I hope all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share about how to make coffee seeds using soap base. Here, I'm taking transparent soap base. I'm going to measure the soap base here. Totally, I'm taking 65 grams of transparent soap base. Now I'm adding brown color here. I'm going to melt this soap base using double boiler method. You can see the soap base is melting down evenly. You can see the soap base is melted down completely here. It's time to pour into the mold. Here is the result. You can see. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and support Kajol Cosmetics. Happy formulating.